Hi there! In this video, you will learn about how to bulk delete Google Workspace users using xFanatical Foresight. Managing users within an organization can often involve removing accounts for employees who leave, transition to other departments, or no longer require access. Manually deleting each user can be time-consuming and prone to error. While Google Admin Console allows multi-user deletion, it's limited to up to 50 user deletion at a time. That's where xFanatical Foresight comes in. With the bulk deletion feature in xFanatical Foresight, administrators can efficiently remove multiple user accounts at once, ensuring a clean and organized workspace without the hassle. Whether you need to manage seasonal staff, off-board employees, or update your organizational structure, this feature saves time and streamlines the process. Let's dive in and see how it works. Sign into xFanatical Foresight with your Google admin account. Go to the Templates page. Search for Bulk Delete Google Workspace Users and click on it. In the Bulk Delete Google Workspace Users page, click Copy Rule. For the first time use of the template rule, a dialog action needed will display requesting necessary permissions required to copy the rule. Click Connect with Google and authorize the permissions. Upon authorization, a dialog titled Copy of Bulk Delete Google Workspace Users will display. Click Next. The rule is auto-configured. No configurations required. Click Review. In the review screen, customize the automation rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Verify automation. In order to guarantee that your rule configuration automates as intended, it is imperative to conduct a basic test. The following instructions demonstrate how xFanatical Foresight automates the bulk deleting of the users from organization. Go to the Templates page. Click on the Download Sample CSV File button, or if you set up automation from scratch, then just use the CSV file which you have created. In the downloaded CSV file, delete the sample data from the user primary email column. Then enter the actual primary email of the user you want to delete from the organization. Go to the Rules page. Click on the Upload button of Bulk Delete Google Workspace Users rule. Select the CSV file to upload. Wait for the CSV file to be processed and receive a notification in the top right. In the notification message, click View Log. In the Log Details page, the Rule History section explains the automation history and task xFanatical Foresight has automated on behalf of your Google account. Sign in your Google Admin Console and verify that the automation has successfully deleted the users in Google Workspace. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.